I'm Jamie Reed, a technical account manager with GitLab. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate two concepts: group level templates and CI includes as part of GitLab's CI and CD features. I intend to show how these features can be used by administrators to facilitate a self-service on-ramp for project teams and developers as they adopt GitLab for CI and CD. A common question we hear from our users, particularly if they're coming from another CI platform, is how to go about setting up guide rails for new projects. That is, how to provide internal teams with the convention and configuration they'll need to quickly get to a green pipeline within GitLab. GitLab takes a self-service approach to pipeline creation and customization, which developers love. But as an administrator responsible for various systems, it's natural to be concerned about how you'll address updating project and pipeline configuration in the inevitable event of change. Imagine, for example, a service that pipelines depend upon that changes domain name, or a new cluster being created specifically for a staging or QA team. The pattern I'll show offers a best practices approach to manage configuration drift and provide a centralized way to distribute changes to project pipelines while leaving individual teams free to augment their pipelines to suit their needs. First, let me introduce the concept of project templates. Out of the box, GitLab provides a number of project templates, which are essentially a starting point for new projects created in GitLab. Next, let me introduce the concept of group-level project templates. As an administrator of a self-managed premium instance or a group administrator on a .com Silver subscription, you have the option to create a project where you can store custom project templates accessible to your users upon creation of new projects. To show you what I mean, I've created a demonstration group on GitLab.com with a gold level subscription. Within this organization's group, I've created a subgroup entitled Project Templates. Here, within the settings for the group, I can choose General, and then select Custom Project Templates, which gives me the option to select subgroups of this parent-level group, wherein each individual project belonging to that subgroup is accessible as a custom group-level template upon creation of projects. Now that I've shown how to create custom project templates, I'd like to illustrate a pattern that can facilitate a GitOps approach to customize CI for your organization. If, for example, you use an infrastructure as code tool like Terraform to deploy your apps, or maintain a Vault instance to protect secrets, it's likely you'll desire customizations beyond the defaults of GitLab's Auto DevOps pipeline. Once you've built your customized base CI/CD configuration, templates are a great way for projects to easily adopt what you've created and get to a successful pipeline that fits within the conventions for your group. However, how do you manage configuration changes? Imagine the FQDN of one of your services changes. This is where CI/CD includes are powerful. GitLab allows you to include files from another project within the same GitLab instance or group using the include file statement within a CI/CD YAML file. To show you what I mean, I've now created a project at the root level of my organization's group entitled CI Templates. Here, I've now got a customized GitLab CI YAML file. I've built this file based upon the Auto DevOps templates available at GitLab.com with a number of modest customizations. I've temporarily disabled, or I've set variables to disable SAST and DAST jobs running for pipelines, and I've changed the ingress base domain for my Kubernetes cluster. Now that we've built a customized CI pipeline and published it within the CI Templates project for the group, we need to modify the project templates accessible to project creators so that they automatically include your CI pipeline. To demonstrate, I've forked a copy of the Express Node.js Frameworks template as published by GitLab. I've stored this fork within the project templates subgroup. modified the project and created a .gitlab-ci YAML file, wherein I've specified an include statement. This include statement pulls from the CI templates project within the Your Organization group and includes the full contents of the .gitlab-ci YAML file we've stored there. With this pattern, any project created from this template will by default run the pipeline as you've defined it within CI templates. It also still empowers developers to override and augment. This way, the self-service design of GitLab's CI platform is still accessible, but you can also reduce the opportunity for configuration drift in so-called snowflake projects. This pattern can help you disseminate important changes to your infrastructure quickly and smoothly, keeping your teams committing code. To pull this together and show this pattern in action, let's create a fresh project from our project template. Within my parent group, I'll click New Project. Next, I'll choose Create from Template, and then filter on Custom Project Templates available to the group. I have a template called Express Custom that's available for my use. I can preview this template to see what my project will look like when I create it. Looks good to me. Let's call this Hello World Node.js Express. Now that our project import is complete, I can see that I have a full framework for a start on my Express Node.js application, inclusive of a .gitlab-ci YAML definition for my CI/CD pipeline. As I'd shown, this file includes my organization's CI templates GitLab-ci YAML file. And there we have it. Thanks to the magic of television and GitLab, my application, built from a group-level template and deployed via CI configuration managed by a group administrator, is now live in my group's integrated Kubernetes cluster. I hope this video sparked your interest and gave you some ideas about how you can leverage these techniques yourself. In future Setting Up GitLab CI videos, look for me to cover how to enforce CI jobs at the instance, and hopefully soon, the group level. If you've got feedback on other topics you'd like covered, feel free to reach out via whatever medium you prefer. Thanks very much.